Hello, aspirants. Why is India's ambition to become a global manufacturing hub in the news? Manufacturing has emerged as a major focus of India's economic strategy, and recent government reports and policy initiatives have highlighted the need to strengthen India's manufacturing competitiveness and integration with global value chains, or GVCs. So, what exactly does Global Manufacturing Hub mean? It means developing India as a major location for producing goods not only for the domestic market but also for global markets, while attracting investment, creating jobs, increasing exports, and becoming an important part of international supply chains. According to a PIB, manufacturing currently contributes around 16 to 17% of India's GDP and employs more than 27 million workers. The government aims to increase manufacturing's contribution to at least 25% of GDP by 2047. One important concept for UPSC is the global value chain. A GVC refers to different stages of producing a good or service being distributed across different countries, with each stage adding value. For example, research and design may happen in one country, components may be manufactured in another, assembly may happen somewhere else, and the final product may be exported globally. India therefore wants to move beyond simply assembling products and increase domestic value addition, technology intensity, and integration into global supply chains. A major strategy is the development of integrated manufacturing hubs with infrastructure, logistics, common facilities, and regulatory support. Under the National Industrial Corridor Development Program, 20 industrial smart cities have been approved across 7 industrial corridors and 13 states. These include locations such as Dholera in Gujarat and Chandrabidkin in Maharashtra. Several other initiatives support this manufacturing push. The Production Linked Incentive, or PLI scheme, provides incentives linked to incremental production in 14 key sectors. Make in India focuses on strengthening domestic manufacturing and investment. The National Manufacturing Mission, announced in the Union Budget 2025-26, aims to improve manufacturing competitiveness, innovation, and capacity. For UPSC Prelims, remember the key connection. Global Manufacturing Hub equals manufacturing competitiveness, exports, employment, domestic value addition, and global value chains. And remember the major supporting initiatives. Make in India, PLI scheme, National Manufacturing Mission, industrial corridors, and integrated manufacturing hubs. The larger objective is not simply to manufacture more products. It is to make India a reliable